Click the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Select on the business under the account settings. On this page, tap on more over here to select the branding option below it. It will take you to this page, which you want to scroll down. Then on the accent color, you may click on your current color of the call to action button and change the color to the one that you need. As you can see, it will change the call to action button color on your Stripe account. After every changes, click on the Save Change button to save your progress. Mainly, it will have the effect on the page of your invoice, identity page, global payout page, customer portal page, and also the checkout page and the payment link pages. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.